second part of the interior handover of the T-Line 590. This here is your cab area. You do have a reversing camera built on this, and to get into the reversing camera, you go into reverse on the gear stick and you lift the neck and push into reverse, and it will automatically come on. You've also got cruise control. You have Bluetooth and aircon as well. You also have the remi blinds, which you pinch the black bit and pull, and it will click into place. Both chairs are also captain chairs in the front here. So you have to do is the squiggly bit here, push back and then turn the chair yourself round. And that's the cab area there for you. Now you've got the control panels just at the top here. This is the 12-volt control panel, and this is your hot water and heating control panel. Now to turn your 12-volt one on, you click the little squares, not the icons, just the little squares. And it is touch screen, so you have to hold on like that and it will come on. As you can see, there's a hookup cable icon just here. That's to tell us that we are hooked up. The next one above, you've got B1. Click on that and that's going to tell you the voltage of the vehicle battery. The next one above, B2. That's the voltage of the leisure battery. As you can see, one's a van and one's a caravan to tell you vehicle battery, leisure battery. Top one, S1 in the blue, is to tell you the amount of fresh water that is in the tank. Now, it goes up in thirds and down in thirds. So once you've reached 100%, it'll go down to 66%, then 33%, and then 0. Click that icon again, and you'll get an R1 in red. Now that's how much wastewater there is in the tank. This icon here is telling you the temperature inside. And the next one up is your light, so you click that on. And then you will sometimes have to individually go around and turn on your lights. The ones underneath the bed are touch. Ones where there's a little blue light, like this one, it's a touch. So you will have to go around and try them out. The next one up above from that is your awning light outside. And then you've also got the tap symbol here is the water pump. So when I click that on, you should hear a noise. That's the boiler kicking in, ready to push the water through to the taps for you. I'll turn that off just there. Now you will need the pump on in order to obviously have a shower, use the taps, and even the toilet flush. So that's your 12-volt control panel. The next one is your heated and hot water panel. So it's a Truma control panel. So you turn it on by pressing the button and the screen comes on. So the first one flashing is a motorhome with a thermometer in it. Now that's your heating, so you can set your temperature. So click on that, click the button, and now you turn the dial and you can go all the way up to 30 degrees if you like. I'll set it at 22 because I want it at that temperature. I will push the button again. So I've selected it now. Turn the dial and it goes to the next one along, which is the thermometer in the water. As you can see, that icon is flashing, which means it's selected. So I click on that, dial. First option is eco, second option is hot, and third option is boost. Boost is for a shower. I would go hot for electric and eco for gas, personally. Click eco. Next along is how you're choosing to fuel your heating and hot water. So click on that. So first option's gas, second option's mixture 1, so it means gas and electric, electric meaning whatever amperage you are on from the campsite. So say you're on a 10 amp site, you could use mixture 1. Go back to that. Mixture 2, so you're on a 16 amp campsite, you can go on to that. And you've got electric 1, electric 2, the same meaning. So I'll click on that. Just get rid of that. There we go. Next one along is how the fan speed. So you've got eco, high, and you can choose either one for it to blow the hot air around for you. So I'll choose eco. And then also you've got all your settings down here as well, which will all be in the control book for you. So to turn this off, what you do is hold the big button in, and eventually it will say off, like that. And this one, touch there, and off it goes. Next you got your refrigerator, which is just here. You get your fridge drawer at the bottom, just there. And your fridge just here with your freezer box at the top. Now to work the fridge freezer, you've got your control panel at the top up here. Just start over. So on and off button's just here. And you've got to hold it in and they'll all come on. So at the moment I am hooked up, so I've chosen the hookup. So you have 4 icons on here: a gas flame for gas, a battery to run off the vehicle battery, a plug to symbolise hookup cable, and A, which means it's automatic. So if you chose an A, it will automatically find the fuel that you are using, and that will then get the fridge to work. So I'm on hookup at the moment, so if I go and hold this middle button in, they will then flash. I can then change that to A, automatic. Or if I keep scrolling, I can go to the flame or the battery, back to hookup, but I'm going to go to A. Now to select it, I'll press the middle button. And now I can do my temperature. I like how that is, so I'm going to select that. And as you can see, it's gone straight to the hookup cable bit because I'm hooked up. So it's found that I'm using that fuel. So it automatically goes to that. And as you can see, the fridge lights are on just there as well, so you know it's working. There we go. Now you do have a gas hob here, the 3 gas burners. Do not shut the lid if you are got the gas hobs on or if you've just used them, because this glass top will shatter. So you've got your gas knobs just here, and it tells you which one is to work which ring, and obviously you've got a high flame or a low flame. Underneath you've got your gas oven and grill, combi oven and grill. So you've got your electric igniter just here, and you push left for the oven with choosing your temperature, or right to the grill, which is at the top, and you can move the tray. You get your grill pan there, move the tray to wherever you want. This here will pull out, it's your heat protector, just there. In here you got your shower just there, your sink and your cupboard underneath, another cupboard, and this accesses to the storage compartment outside, and this is your toilet just here. Now when you're going to go to the toilet, open up the flap, go to the toilet, you can then flush and then close. Make sure you close that again, like in my previous video. That blade has to be shut.